Hello, welcome to the daily message for this Tuesday in the octave of Easter. Our gospel reading for today comes from the Gospel of John, and it is the story of Jesus' appearance to Mary Magdalene after the resurrection. So Mary has come to the tomb, and she's been told that Jesus is no longer there. So she weeps, she cries, and Jesus comes to her and appears to her and says, "Why are you weeping?" And she does not recognize him at first. And then Jesus simply says her name, Mary, and she recognizes Jesus and she rejoices. My question today is, are you and I ever like Mary Magdalene in today's gospel reading? Do we sometimes fail to recognize Jesus when he appears to us? We know as Christians that Jesus appears to us every day. Jesus is that person or those persons who sit at the dinner table with us. Jesus is the next door neighbor. Jesus is that fellow parishioner or those fellow parishioners whom we will see today. Jesus is those people whom we work with. Jesus is the immigrant. Jesus is that person from the political party other than our own. Jesus is the homeless person. And so during this Easter season, we have the opportunity to come to recognize Jesus whenever and wherever he appears to us. Just as Jesus appeared to Mary Magdalene, Jesus appears to us each and every day. Thank you for watching and have a great Easter Tuesday.